Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you all are doing well. So up से we are starting new kind of episodes and new kind of videos for my YouTube channel where I'll be showing you a lot of styling videos about different seasons like abhi fall and winter and for wedding and other purposes. So stay tuned and I hope you will like it. Okay, so आज का video will be about some of the winter dresses that I have picked from Myntra and Savannah that you can easily carry office workwear or casually or वैसे भी because if it's fall or winter it doesn't mean that you have to stop wearing some dresses. So you can of course wear dresses but depends how you style it, how you layer it for fall or if it's winter. So as you can see, I'm wearing this beautiful dress. It's like a knit dress. If you can see this fabric, this is a knit dress and इसमें pleats है नीचे. So I'm wearing these with loafers. So you will mostly see me wearing these kind of loafers because I feel these are very comfortable. Sometimes you just don't want to wear high boots or ankle boots. You just want to wear some kind of footwear which can where you can also wear some kind of socks or something to keep yourself warm. So I prefer these chunky loafers always in fall and winter season. So as you can see, I'm wearing this dress. The first thing is ki winters and fall mein brown, burgundy and all those shades look very nice. So brown is something that you can easily go for. It gives a very nice elegant chic look. So I'm wearing this. Agar I'm wearing it for the fall season, then it's fine because I don't want to wear a lot of layering over it, because if it's sunny outside and it's fall season and it's not very cold here just like North India daytime pe. So at this time I think I can wear this, and agar iske niche I can wear these fur leggings. If you have, you wear those and then you can always layer it with a trench coat. So ये बहुत ही smart लगेगा. So next I have something very colorful for you because sometimes in winter we're bored with fall and neutral clothes, but I do have one piece which I can show you. Uh, which you can easily see. It's so colorful. The red and this lavender color makes it pop a bit. So I think I liked it a lot. मुझे बहुत smart लगा ये piece because it's like a straight dress, very very warm, very comfortable. So कहीं जा रहे हो casually, just wear this with loafers or your boots, and you want to wear any kind of coat over this like trench or something, this will also look very nice. I find this is a very nice piece. Next up again I have a bodycon brown color dress, high turtleneck. So of course winter mein nothing without turtleneck, so it looks very nice and chic. Again, it's a maxi dress. You can pair it with so many things. You can style it with a belt, something like this kind of a belt, sleek belt, or any a broad belt. If you want, you can layer it with some those winter scarf, or you can wear it again with a trench coat or a jacket or anything in light beige, and this will look very nice. And I have another piece. It's again a very smart piece. As you can see, this is more like a two-piece set. So it's like a tube dress inside it, and with a shrug style, with a long shrug or long jacket, whatever you call it. I like the stripes thing. So the best part is the stripes part, the beige and the black combination. So again, this will also look very nice. And yes, you can of course it already has a jacket, so you can always wear it with a knee boots, black boots or black loafers. It will look very nice. I have one quad set as well. So this is like, if you can see, this is at the top. I'll just show you the skirt, and this also has again a shrug. This particular piece is very warm, by the way. As you can see, this is the skirt. So this particular cord set is very very warm. So I feel this is something you can easily wear for a, let's say, a winter vacation or something. इसके नीचे you can wear your thermals if you want, but ये already बहुत warm है, बहुत ज़्यादा warm है. So I think this will go something in a peak winter season, but it's a very smart cord set because otherwise winters में ऐसा कोई cord set नहीं होता है. But this is like a very smart cord set. These are all the pieces that I had to show you, and let me know which one did you like and what type of videos you want to see on my page, and the long format videos on YouTube. So let me know what type of videos are you looking for, so I can bring you those pieces and those kind of videos of fashion, beauty, or anything in lifestyle. So just let me know. Thank you for watching.